healthy gulay. We have to talk to them, like tell them what you're eating, is it yummy?
Chicken.
Tell them it's healthy.
It's healthy. Eat them. Because it makes your eyes glittery. See, look. Look at mine, see?
Dami na palang kaon.
Sarap namin ang palaya, oh. So healthy, oh.
Sabi mo, dapat po,
Dapat po.
kumakain po tayo palagi ng gulay.
Pagkain po.
Gusin mo.
Gulay.
Kasi po,
Kasi po,
mabuti po ito
pati po dito
sa ating
sa ating
kalusugan.
kalusugan.
Eat healthy.
It's healthy.
Parang egg lang kinakain mo.
You eat the ampalaya. Ang ampalaya po ay pampahaba ng buhay. Sabihin mo. Ayusin may hawak ng spoon, not like that.
It tastes like chocolate, right?
Yes. Kwentuhan mo yung mga nanonood sa'yo.
Mahihiwin mo ka.
Paano maniniwala na yan? Paano maniniwala? Nagkala mo ka. Naku, kung hindi patay na sa'yo. Ayusin ko. Masarap ba yung gulay? Masarap ba yung palaya? Tell them. Ito po ay napakasarap.